Hey all, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a moving vlog. So this is going to be the first video of my moving series, which will include moving in, arranging everything, decorating, and everything like that. So first I have to pick up a few things. I actually already have mostly everything that I will need, but there was a few things that I had to get, so I went to get those. Then I got to packing up my room, so you'll see me put in all the boxes and other random things into my car. And then of course I had to say goodbye to all of the animals. So I phoned saying goodbye to the ones that I could find at the moment. But of course I did say bye to all of them off camera. Anyways, here's what my room looks like after I moved everything out. There's still a few things left in it, and it doesn't look totally bare, but it's kind of lost its spark after I moved a lot of the things out. And then we moved out. So this next part is going to be a montage of the road trip there. We stopped in San Antonio halfway through and had some fun there, and then drove the rest of the way. We have just arrived in Corpus Christi here with the lovely Taya, who is not supposed to be here right now. We're checking into the hotel and we didn't check if the hotel allowed dogs, so shh, if you don't tell anyone, I won't either. So we're sneaking her in. I swear I'm not a bad person, it just happened, okay? There's nothing we can do. So, this little miss is gonna hide in a bag while we bring her in. Probably not footage I should be putting on the internet, but shh, shh, okay. I'll just not tell you what hotel I'm at, so then nobody will know what, yeah, okay. Okay, so we successfully made it into the hotel and out without Taya being caught. But anyways, let's get moving in. So after getting my key, I finally got to see the room for the first time. I had seen it on a video call once, but I barely saw anything. So here's the overlay of what my room looks like. Very basic furniture, basic room. It's got a nice closet. The view from the window is not great, and the bed is very stiff. But at least the bathroom's a good size and has a lot of storage. And then of course I got to work moving things around immediately. So first off, I decided I wanted the desk against the window, and everything else I left where it was for now, but I moved a few things later. So first I just set my bags full of clothes on the hanging rack to get them off the ground, and then of course my family helped me move all of my boxes in. I didn't film much of that because I needed to be bringing boxes in or moving things around, telling people where I wanted them, things like that. But here's my room after a bunch of the boxes were moved in. Okay, hey, so I look kind of crazy because it's been windy and hot, but I'm like moved in, I guess. I don't know. The whole process was kind of crazy, unorganized, uncoordinated. We didn't get any help from anybody, which I guess we didn't know what to expect, but everything's in my room. I just need to put it together. So I guess we didn't have much of like an actual move-in vlog vlog because I didn't film a lot because it was just hauling boxes in, which in order to do that you had to be carrying boxes. So yeah, we just did all that, and I'm gonna do a whole video moving everything in, and that might be this video. I don't know. We'll see how much footage I have to work with, but I'm gonna start moving things in right now, or like setting things up, which first I want to start with my bed so that I can like lay on it because your girl's tired. The hotel was not great this time. So let's do the bed. And then, you know what? I might just like lay down and chill, but let's do the bed. Okay. Oh, also I showed like a non-talking empty room tour, but let me show you the tour like right now. So that's the front entrance of my room. And then here we have the closet, which, okay, I actually really love the closet. There's a lot of room here. So yeah, a lot of space for clothes and for storage and everything. And it's pretty big too. So love that. And then we've got my desk area and the window, which I don't know if I should show you the view or not, but here, I'll show you, and I might crop it out. There's the absolutely stunning view of the parking lot. And then here's my bed. There's a pad on it right now because literally, look. This is the most uncomfortable mattress thing ever. And then also this is an old topper, and that is from one of my other dogs back at home. So, in case you're wondering. And then I've got these. These are actually, will probably come in handy. Little drawers. Can't open them right now because, yeah, drawers. And then there's a lot of space under the bed. I'm gonna put like a little Taya nook right there because she's with me, obviously. And then, oh yeah, and then we have this little nightstand thing, which I might turn into some sort of like a tea bar or like a snack bar, I think probably. And then the bathroom, I actually kind of like the bathroom. I'm not gonna turn the light on because it'll get super loud, but here's the, you know, shower area. Oh, we've got storage here. Love all the storage options. Here I am here. And then this, kind of weird, but okay. And then all my plants are like dying, but I think I can revive them. And then storage here. Okay, love that. And it's pretty spacious too. So that's great. Also, I just realized I forgot one of my carts that I was gonna bring, but that's fine. Also, I forgot my decorative pillows for my bed, so that's fine too. But at least we didn't forget anything else that I know of yet. And then that's the room at the moment. Now I'm gonna set up the bed. Quick break. I got a set, sheet set. It had the sheets in it, but it also had the pillowcases in it, which in my head I knew, but I didn't realize. So I also got 2 sets of pillowcases to go on my 4 pillows. And now I have to return one, which is fine. But anyways, that happened. Okay, so I just like sat in my bed for a solid hour and I was gonna go make myself some food. And then I realized I have to finish unpacking like dishes in order to do that. So maybe I'll just get fast food. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna finish unpacking.